Well, let's take out the tools. I carry everything I need for the day on my back. So today I'm axing out some coffee scoops. So let's start. I have a lot to do today. Just gonna thin it up a bit. Nice straight billet from a piece of wild cherry from this tree that fell in a storm, probably like I would say a year ago. Do the back now at an angle here, so this side and this side. Now, always watch the fingers here. See, never my fingers anywhere near the blade. You see. Okay. Now the central part a little bit. It. Now I'll cut it to size. This little bit of extra length. Let's remove that. And now I'll do the stop cuts. Have to watch it here, not to overcut. I use the stump to secure this piece of wood, so okay. One, two. I'll use the edge of the stump here. Okay, that's it now. This is a very tight curve, so I'm gonna use my knife here just to clean it up a bit. It's very cold today, so my hands are a bit frozen. It's probably almost freezing temperature, so almost 0 Celsius. So don't let the sun fool you. It's nice and sunny, but very cold. Okay, that's it. One coffee scoop done.